How was the watermelon? Welcome to Thailand, Bangkok. We are at the Siam Paragon Mall in Bangkok, Thailand. We just arrived now, everyone. We are here at Peppery Thai Bistro.
Walang-wala yung ano.
Thai Bistro.
Walang-wala yung
Restaurant. And this is one of my what I ordered is the coconut juice. Yes. The restaurant is very busy. Very busy.
Peppery Thai Bistro pala.
Wala, Peppery Thai Bistro restaurant. I see.
Nagima. Oh my gosh.
Masarap. Masarap. Really? How did you know that it's nice?
Dahil ininom ko na.
Ha?
Dahil ininom ko na.
Hello everyone. We just arrived in Bangkok, Thailand. And it's our first time to come here at Siam Paragon Mall. And we are at the restaurant right now. We will try the Thai cuisine. Thai cuisine. Thai food. Yeah, this is my second order. Thank you. Yes, I will try the mango shake. And I have as well a coconut juice. Very, very happy. Saan mo dapat nakikuha?
Picturean ka ba o video? Video ka na. Luya, first time ko sa Thailand. Let's try the coconut. Ang ganda-ganda ha. Meron pa siyang ano. Look at that. There is also a flower. Orchids. Sarap. Fresh coconut everyone.
Mahal dito kasi ano, hindi sa street food sa labas, yan, mas mura. Social ka. Can I stop na?
Ang sarap ng coconut juice.
Ito.
Ako na.
Kasi kukunin ko muna yung so this is what they call Siam Paragon Mall. Masarap kaya yung mga pagkain. Ano natin? Masarap talaga bang pagkain? Ano masasabi mo sa coconut? What can you say?
It's fresh.
Shit fresh. Oh, yeah, next. What is that? What is this?
Morning glory.
Morning Glory. Or we call it kangkong.
Yeah.
Kangkong sa
Mga
Pilipinas.
kakidin naman rin sa kukuom.
It's a Thai food.
Look at the TV. Thank you.
That is what you order, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh my God, ang sarap-sarap. Another fried rice.
Nagasang. Pero masarap yung anghang niya para sa akin.
You said you like spicy food. Sabi mo masarap ang spicy food. Ito. Kakainin ko yung book. Pwede natin yung book. Yeah, how is it? How is it? How's the food? How's the food?
Very spicy.
Very spicy. You
I don't
like
know if
it?
you can take it.
Did you like it?
Try it, yeah.
I will try later. My food is not yet around. You did I will try the coconut first. I will try the coconut first. Okay, this is my coconut. Sarap! Ang sarap ng coconut. Fresh na fresh. Fresh na fresh, everyone. Ang sarap. Ang sarap pa rin mga pagkain dito.
Sa'yo.
Thank you. Oh yeah, this is my food, everyone. What do you call this? What do you call this? Fried rice with fish. This is my food, everyone. Fried rice with fish. Thai food. Yes. Try natin. Okay, ayan. Yes. Everyone, I'm very happy. First time in Bangkok, Thailand. Yes, holiday for the year 2024. This is our first night. We will be staying here in 5 days. So, wait for my next video. Bye. Say bye na. Say goodbye. Is it nice? Is it nice?
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Okay. Bon appetit. Enjoy your food in the watermelon. That's my mango. I finished already the
Walang pala.
coconut juice. And this is my fried rice. And spicy kangkong. What's that? What's the name? Spicy something. Spicy vegetable.